Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of the diamond codes in 99 nights in the forest game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined 99 nights in the forest game on Roblox, and I'm going to show you all the codes that you can redeem to get free diamonds. Okay, you can go to this menu guys, and you can go to the codes menu, and this is the first code. You can type in Happy Halloween. Okay, and after you submit this code, you will get 10 candies for free. And then the next one is After Party. I have already redeemed the code. And wait, I'm going to type in After Party. And then you will get 15 diamonds for free. Okay guys, and you can try it by yourself. You can try to redeem the code to get free diamonds in 99 nights in the forest game on Roblox. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!